Meaning. Good morning. Social mobility. Social mobility. Introduction. Social mobility is the theoretical movement of individuals, families, households, or other categories of people within or between social strata in a society. It is a change in social status related to one's current social location within a given society. The movement can be in a downward or upward direction. Social mobility is any change in social position. It can be vertical and horizontal in nature. Meaning, mobility stands for shift, change, and movement. The change may be of a place or from one position to another. The shift can either be higher, lower, intergenerational, or intragenerational, and it can be necessarily be determined if the change is for good or bad. Types of mobility. Change of social position of an individual or group of individual takes different forms and shapes. At one period of time there would be one type of mobility, and another period of time it can be another type. Horizontal mobility. Under this type of social mobility, a person changes his or her occupation, but the overall social standing remains the same. Certain occupations like doctor, engineer, and professor may enjoy the same status, but when an engineer changes his occupation from engineer to teaching engineering, he has horizontally moved from one occupational energy category to another, but no change has been taken in the place of system of social stratification. Vertical mobility. According to the direction of transition, there are two types of vertical social mobility: ascending and descending, or social climbing and social sinking. The ascending currents exist in the two principal forms: as an infiltration of the individuals of a lower stratum into an existing higher one, and as a creation of such a group into a higher stratum instead of or side by side with the existing group of the strata. Upward mobility. This is when a person moves from a lower position in society to a higher one. It can also include people occupying higher positions in the same social group. When a person moves upward, they often need to leave behind familiar surroundings such as family and places. They may also need to change their way of thinking and behavior. The individual will need to adapt to the new environment as a result of their upward movement and upward different behaviors in the new society. Downward mobility. Downward mobility takes place when a person moves from a higher position in a society to a lower one. Downward mobility can be extremely stressful for people who face a rapid decline in their social status. They may find it hard to adapt to the new environment as it is not similar to the standard of living they are used to. Intergenerational mobility. Intergenerational mobility happens when the social position changes from one generation to another. The change can be upward or downward. For example, a father worked in a factory while his son received an education that allowed him to become a lawyer or a doctor. Intergenerational mobility. The intergenerational change in societal position occurs during the lifespan of a single generation. It can also refer to a change in position between siblings. One way is when a person climbs up the corporate ladder in their career. For example, an individual starts their career as a clerk and through their life moves on to a senior position such as director, One sibling may also achieve a higher position in a society than their brother or sister. Factors responsible for social mobility. First, motivation. Each individual has a desire not only to have a better way of living but also want to improve upon a social standing. In open system, it is possible to achieve any status. This openness motivates people to work hard and improve upon the skills so that one can attain higher social status. Without such motivation and efforts on the part of the individual, social mobility is impossible. Achievements and failures. Achievement here refers to extraordinary, usually unexpected performance which attracts the attention of wider public to the abilities of a person. Not all the achievements will result in social mobility. Achievements affect status only if they are remarkable. Failures and mistakes have a similar effect on downward mobility. Next factor is education. Then another one, skills and training. Then migration. Then industrialization. This is also one of the factor. Then urbanization also occupies a very important factors. Then legislation considered as an important factor. Then modernization. Next, conclusion. The concept of social mobility is important to the study of societies because it is suggestive of equality of opportunity. The idea that while everyone will not have the same outcomes, they should have the same opportunities. Increasing social mobility is not only an argument for equality, it is an economic case as well. Promoting equality of opportunity is essential for economic efficiency as it enhances the use of individual talents. Thank you.